The Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948 was good so far as it went, but unfortunately, the spirit of it could not be understood or appreciated by the common man in this country. So, a new orientation of this policy was given, and the Honorable Prime Minister, after his return from China, publicly declared that the future policy of the country, or rather the future pattern of society, will be the socialist pattern that was further emphasized by the resolution passed at the Avadi session of the Congress and later reiterated by Sri Debar, President of the Indian National Congress. Pusta paragraph. I am very glad to say that the spirit of it has been caught by the nation today. If I may say so, the nation has taken up the challenge for securing the socialist pattern of society. It behoves all sessions, both inside this house as well as outside, without having mutual recriminations, to try and propagate in the sincere manner and establish the socialist pattern of society indicated by the statements of the great leaders of our country. First of paragraph. It may be relevant and pertinent if I refer to a few sentences from the memorandum presented on the 4th June 1939 by our Prime Minister, who was the chairman of the All India Planning Committee, which came into existence when there was prevention autonomy in the provinces. On page 39 and 40 of the report, he stated, first paragraph, it is clear that the drawing up of a comprehensive national plan become clearly an academic exercise with no relation to reality unless the planning authority or those to whom it is responsible are in a position to give effect to the plan. If this authority is powerless or circumscribed or restricted and has limited activities, it cannot plan an essential prerequisite for planning. It thus complete freedom and independence for the country and removal of all outside control. This implies that the country possesses in itself full sovereign authority to take any measures, adopt any policies, and form any relations with other countries as may seem best to its governing authority in the interests of the country and its people. National independence is thus an indispensable preliminary for taking all the steps that might be found necessary for carrying out the 5-year plan in all its various aspects throughout the whole country. Full stop.